Hey Wolfpack, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Flexclip. The link will be in the description below, and this is also what I used to make yesterday's video. Also, if there's any background sound, sorry about that. I don't know if there will be. Yeah. Let's just get started. So first of all, in this, just press browse video. I'm just gonna pick a random video. I don't know because this is not really important. So this to load. Sometimes it can take a bit. It usually takes like 10 seconds. Oh no, it's not responding. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, it's like being weird. Still loading. Okay, finally, gosh, that took long enough. It's usually not this long to load, but anyways. So once you get onto here, you see that there's this, and it's nothing, just a blank screen. So, okay, yeah, let's delete that. Okay, yeah. So I deleted that, but you can keep it if you want to put it into your video, if it's like an intro or an outro. But I'm just gonna be showing you like how I made yesterday's video, basically. So, first of all, you're going to click on this blank background. There. And you'll see up here, there's different color choices, and you can pick whatever color you want. I like to go with white. So, yeah, nothing. And also, if you did keep like your intro or whatever, then you would like, it would be up here and you would click on it and drag it down to where the background right here is. And then that would replace this white screen for whatever video you had there. So, yeah, but I'm not doing that. So, first of all, you're gonna go to overlay, in this little purpley thing over here. You're gonna click it. And then you're gonna go to overlay for decorations. I mean decoration, not decorations. And then press see all. Then you can pick whatever thing you want. Oh, okay, it's going a bit slow. So I like this one. I think this one is really nice. So we're gonna go for it. And then again, the color will be up here, and you can press it to change the color of this X or whatever design you have here. So I'm just gonna make it like this green. Oh, that's a pretty green. It's like a sea green. I'm gonna go for that. And then you go to overlay. Oh wait, no, go to element. Okay, load. Oh my gosh. There. And then you're going to go to social, which is the first little section. And you can press whichever one of these you want. Yeah. So I'm gonna go with this. What's this one? Okay, I don't know. I'll just go with this one here. So you can pick whatever you want, and then you can make it as big as you desire. Like, I'm that big? Sure. Okay. I don't think that's centered, but it's fine. Oh my gosh, it's there. Oh yeah, and then also if you press on that element that you have there, you can go here and press this little checkered button and black button. It's like half and half. And then you can click that and go here and change like how much how visible you want it to be. So I think I'll just go for like that. Yeah, it's fine. And now we can see how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we're going to, once we finish with that, we're going to go to add background. And again, change it to whatever color you want. Then overlay and the design you had before. Color, what did I have? I had the mint green. Yep, okay. So just like that. And then you can go to text and pick whatever text you want. I like this one. This is one I always go for. So yeah. Then if you have that it's called, I don't know, but if you have that selected, and then you go up here, you can actually change like the font, the color, and the text and size if you want it bold or italics, centered, yep, so whatever. And then you can pick what you want here. Go with this one. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. And then I'm gonna change the font to this one. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. And make it bold. Well, you don't have to do the same exact color and font if you don't want to. So then you will go up here and you'll press here where it says edit text and just type whatever. Sure. Okay. Yeah, there we have that. You can type whatever you want there. I just typed hi, and then you can keep making slides over and over again until you think it's good. So yeah, this is just what I have. It's 6 seconds long. It's just a short little thing to show you how this works. Okay. So yeah, then we will go up to this little corner and press export. You will choose the size. I'm going with this one. I'll press next. Then you can choose if you want an intro or not. Oh, for a second I thought it was raining. I think it was just my siblings though. I'll go with this. And if you don't want an intro, oh my god, my brother's making so much noise. Yeah, sorry about that. Oops. So yeah, if you don't want an intro, then you'll just press this, and you won't have an intro. Because like if you already inserted one, then you don't, and you don't want another one, then you just press that. I'll with this one. Then you can type whatever you want here. Random. Yeah, so you can just type whatever you want in these little boxes for your intro, and you can do that, and then you'll press export video right here, and then it will be loading. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you me like waiting for this unless it doesn't take too long. But in case it does take a bit long, it says 1 minute left. So yeah. But what you'll do after it's exported, then you'll what is it, like save? I don't know, but whatever's after that, then you can share it to your channel or whatever you were doing. Whatever you made this for. But yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you learn how to use this, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!